If you're searching for the best knife for self-defense in 2026, this guide is designed to help you understand what actually works, legally, practically, and responsibly. In this video, we rank the top 10 knives often considered for personal protection, based on reliability, carry comfort, build quality, and everyday practicality, not hype. Stay until the end to see our number 1 pick and what you must know before carrying any knife for self-defense. Number 10, Kershaw Blur, entry-level EDC option. At number 10, we have the Kershaw Blur, which earns its place not because it is a combat tool, but because it represents what many beginners actually carry, a reliable everyday folding knife that doubles as a last resort defensive tool. When discussing knives for self-defense, it is important to understand that most real-world defensive scenarios prioritize awareness, avoidance, and de-escalation rather than confrontation. The Blur fits into the category of practical everyday carry knives that are legal in many regions and primarily designed for utility use, such as cutting rope, opening packages, or general tasks. From an expert perspective, what makes a knife viable for defensive consideration is not aggression, but accessibility, grip security, and reliability. The Blur offers assisted opening, solid blade lockup, and ergonomic handling, which matter more than blade shape myths often promoted online. Its lightweight aluminum handle allows comfortable daily carry, increasing the likelihood that the tool is actually with you when needed. However, it is not a heavy-duty defensive knife, and viewers must understand that carrying a knife for self-defense involves legal responsibility and training awareness. It earns the number 10 position because it reflects realistic everyday carry behavior rather than exaggerated tactical marketing. Number 9. CRKT M16, tactical inspired but utility focused. At number 9, we have the CRKT M16, a folding knife known for its tactical inspired design, but fundamentally built as a durable utility tool. Many people searching for the best knife for self-defense are influenced by appearance rather than functionality, and the M16 helps illustrate the difference between marketing and practical performance. What matters most in a defensive context is secure grip, reliable locking mechanism, and manageable size for lawful carry. The M16 provides a strong locking system and texture handle that enhances control, which is essential for safe handling under stress. From an educational standpoint, it is critical to emphasize that a knife should never be the first line of defense. Situational awareness, escape planning, and personal safety training are far more important. The M16 earns its position because it offers structural reliability and control handling without being excessively large or impractical for daily carry. However, users must always check local laws before carrying any blade, as regulations vary widely. This knife represents the entry-tier defensive consideration, practical, legal in many areas, and primarily utility tool first. Number 8. Ontario Rat 2 Practical, proven everyday carry reliability. At number 8, we have the Ontario Rat 2, a folding knife that has built a strong reputation in the everyday carry community because of its balanced size, dependable locking mechanism, and practical blade geometry. When people search for the best knife for self-defense, they often overlook the importance of daily usability, and that is where the Rat 2 stands out. A knife that is too large, too aggressive looking, or uncomfortable to carry is unlikely to be with you consistently, and consistency is critical when discussing preparedness. The Rat 2 offers a compact profile, secure grip texture, and a strong liner lock that enhances safe handling. From an expert perspective, control and reliability matter far more than exaggerated blade shapes or oversized designs. The steel used in the Rat 2 provide a practical balance between edge retention and ease of sharpening, making it a dependable utility tool first and foremost. Educationally, it is important to emphasize that most defensive situations are avoided through awareness and smart decision-making rather than physical confrontation. The Rat 2 fits into the category of responsible everyday carry tools that prioritize functionality. It is lightweight, easy to maintain, and widely trusted for general use. It earns the number 8 position because it represents real-world practicality, a knife that is reliable, comfortable to carry, and legally manageable in many regions, making it one of the more realistic options people actually choose. Number 7. Spyderco Tenacious, enhanced grip and deployment control. At number 7, we have the Spyderco Tenacious, a knife known for its distinctive opening design and excellent grip ergonomics, which contribute significantly to controlled handling. When evaluating what actually works in a defensive context, deployment reliability and hand security are crucial considerations. The Tenacious features a textured handle that reduces slippage and improves confidence during use. Its opening mechanism allows smooth one-handed operation, which is often cited as a benefit in emergency situations. However, it is critical to remember that knives should always be viewed primarily as tools, not weapons. The Tenacious excels as a daily utility knife, capable of cutting tasks, outdoor use, and general preparedness. From an expert standpoint, the emphasis should always be on safety, legality, and responsible ownership. The blade steel provides good edge retention for its category, while still being maintainable without specialized equipment. The size is large enough to provide grip stability, but not so large that it becomes impractical for daily carry in most environments. Educationally, this knife demonstrates how ergonomic design and thoughtful engineering improve handling safety. It earns a number 7 spot because it combines reliable deployment, strong grip texture, and balanced size, making a more confidence-inspiring everyday carry option while remaining practical and widely respected in the knife community. Number 6. Benchmade Griptilian, premium EDC reliability and lock strength. At number 6, we have the Benchmade Griptilian, a knife that has earned long-term respect in the everyday carry world because of its durability, dependable locking mechanism, and ergonomic control. When discussing what actually works in a defensive context, reliability under stress and safe handling are far more important than exaggerated blade designs. The Griptilian is built around a strong locking system that enhances stability during use, reducing the risk of accidental closure. From an expert standpoint, this type of lock strength significantly improves user confidence and overall safety. The blade steel is selected to balance edge retention and corrosion resistance, meaning it performs well in daily cutting tasks without constant maintenance. The handle design promotes secure grip placement, which matters for control and safe manipulation. Educationally, it's critical to stress that the best defensive tool is awareness and avoidance. A knife should never replace proper situational judgment or personal safety training. The Griptilian excels as a practical, long-term, everyday carry knife that professionals trust for utility tasks. It earns the number 6 position because it combines premium build quality, proven engineering, and real-world dependability, making it one of the more serious and trustworthy EDC options available in 2026. Number 5. Zero Tolerance 0350, heavy-duty build with controlled deployment. At number 5, we have the Zero Tolerance 0350, a knife recognized for its robust construction and reinforced design philosophy. When evaluating knives that people consider for self-defense, structural strength and controlled deployment become central factors. The 0350 features a solid build that emphasizes durability and long-term resilience. Its assisted opening mechanism allows smooth, predictable blade access while maintaining a strong lockup once deployed. From an expert analysis perspective, overbuilt construction can increase reliability, but also adds weight, which may impact daily carry comfort. That balance between strength and practicality is important when determining what actually works in real life. The handle ergonomics provide a firm, secure grip, supporting controlled handling. The steel choice favors edge retention and corrosion resistance, enhancing long-term performance. However, viewers must understand that carrying any knife involves serious legal and ethical responsibility. Laws vary widely depending on region, and education is essential before carrying any blade for defensive purposes. The 0350 earns the number 5 position because it represents a higher tier of structural integrity and manufacturing quality, offering confidence-inspiring reliability while still functioning as a utility-first everyday carry knife. Number 4. Spyderco Paramilitary 2, elite ergonomics and proven locking strength. At number 4, we have the Spyderco Paramilitary 2, a knife widely respected in the everyday carry community because of its refined ergonomics, lightweight strength, and highly trusted locking system. When discussing what actually works in real-world preparedness, control and consistency are more important than size or aggressive styling. The Paramilitary 2 features a strong compression-style lock that enhances safety during use while allowing smooth one-handed operation. From From an expert standpoint, this type of mechanism improves reliability and reduces handling risk under pressure. The blade steel options available in this model are known for balancing edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for long-term daily use. Its handle design promotes a natural grip position that increases stability and reduces hand fatigue. Educationally, it is important to reinforce that no knife replaces awareness, de-escalation, or proper self-protection training. A responsible carrier prioritizes avoidance and legal compliance above all. The Paramilitary 2 earns a number 4 spot because it delivers premium-level engineering, lightweight durability, and controlled deployment, making it one of the most refined everyday carry knives available in 2026. Number 3, Benchmade Bailout lightweight performance with strong structural design. At number 3, we have the Benchmade Bailout, a knife engineered for lightweight performance without sacrificing structural reliability. In discussions about self-defense knives, portability and carry comfort are often underestimated factors. A knife that feels heavy or bulky may be left at home, reducing preparedness. The Bailout addresses this issue by combining a slim profile with a durable locking mechanism that provides secure blade engagement. From an expert perspective, reduced weight improves daily carry consistency while still maintaining dependable handling. The blade steel used in this model is selected for strength, stability, and corrosion resistance, contributing to long-term performance. The handle material enhances grip security while keeping overall weight low. Educationally, viewers should understand that preparedness means making responsible choices and staying within local legal boundaries. A knife is a tool first, and responsible use is essential. The Benchmade Bailout earns a number 3 position because it successfully merges portability, premium materials, and trusted engineering into a package that balances comfort with durability for everyday carry in 2026. Number 2, Microtech Ultratech, precision engineering and rapid deployment reliability. At number 2, we have the Microtech Ultratech, a knife known for precision manufacturing and consistent deployment mechanism. When evaluating what actually works in emergency preparedness discussions, mechanical reliability becomes a key factor. The Ultratech is built with tight tolerances and quality-controlled assembly, which contributes to consistent performance. Its design allows for rapid, straightforward blade deployment while maintaining structural stability once engaged. From an expert perspective, reliability and opening and lockup integrity are more important than exaggerated marketing claims. However, it is extremely important to note that automatic knives are restricted or regulated in many regions, and legal research is essential before considering ownership or carry. The Ultratech excels in build quality, material strength, and manufacturing precision, but it is not suitable for every jurisdiction. Educationally, this knife represents how engineering consistency and controlled design improve user confidence. It earns the number 2 spot because of its high manufacturing standards, dependable mechanism, and strong reputation in the premium knife category, though legal awareness is absolutely critical. Number 1, Benchmade Adamas, maximum strength and trusted reliability. At number 1, we have the Benchmade Adamas, which earns the top position because of its exceptional durability, reinforced construction, and reputation for long-term reliability. When discussing what actually works in preparedness context, strength, lock stability, and grip security matter most. The Adamas is engineered with a heavy-duty build philosophy, meaning it prioritizes structural resilience and dependable lock engagement. From an expert standpoint, this type of overbuilt reliability increases confidence during demanding use. The blade steel selection balances toughness and edge retention, while the handle design promotes a firm, secure grip that reduces slippage risk. Unlike flashy designs that focus purely on appearance, the Adamas emphasizes functional strength and consistent performance. Educationally, viewers should understand that preparedness is about responsibility, awareness, and lawful carry. A knife should always be viewed as a tool of last resort, not a primary defensive strategy. The Benchmade Adamas earns the number 1 position because it combines rugged engineering, trusted brand reputation, and long-term durability into a package that prioritizes strength and reliability over hype, making it one of the most confidence-inspiring everyday carry knives available in 2026. Choosing the best knife for self-defense in 2026 isn't about size or aggression. It's about reliability, responsible ownership, and understanding your local laws. The best tool is the one you can carry legally, handle safely, and maintain properly. Stay aware, stay informed, and always prioritize safety first.